Abzafo ya mama chia mama kwa bebra so mamuni ama odo biso nsemo ya bobo na no pe ye bana ye de eba sommo ensem ne doso na poso nie abalo ya pani abedi ye chire de akwa kotokoto enim se be ya na na pia mensa na mo na sem no a eda court no ebe ya campaign for makwa ne nka de biada wo mo enkwa asem no so se be ye na asem no betime di ne ntem ede afri ho no mo ase central brasbe gani onabo credit kwa mi akompre kwa Japan agusu ebontoa no de atuga se odonfo ya dom amwaba bedi president ya ne kwasibo ne kan se tourism no wo de bese so Michael Krogani ye se brekra e de yetitisa himfu bi won fimfi mantemo ayo madwene se showdown demonstration omo edibetia aban abuzafo we ene afoforo pi ene akekese ene se kase ababi awo bia no anopaye ba na yede ababesom midin ede na ya abo amali bia boga abuzafo yenye brena finsam no yenkumu ankasa emfa emamom yede mo hyase ede efri aban lawyer pani abedi echire lawyer Alfred Tuaye boa na tena ye na enra ena court kotena na apia mensa dodo na sarma ne se na mon men's good penin pa no na sem na so e wo court na busia mo be ka hyene so na noda na ye aban lawyer penin Attorney General's Department no e be tu dwa se wo mo akwakoso asem no mo e de kwadu fufuro kra e kwa akobọ na apia mensa e de charge o mo ne kobo na nra no bedu asan kron ne echire 39 ne echire na ne nyina no mo de ntansa ne yere na pampam no wansomo anye ntum se odifo no ntie nam so e ma court command na apia mensa na mo belia wo mo etwesika 500 million Ghana cedis e de atu ne tiri so se onfa ne passport so no e meto court na ya wada bia onfa no honkochira police for na asam no omudie no e na ba lawyer penia be de chi lawyer Alfred Tuaye boa e de atuga se enkobe srada se ka court no ti ase ama wo no mu a ka asam wo de enkenye se yemra ne enkore na woche se na woche se ne yensamra ne mum ka da bia da no komo tena asam no so anke beboa pa we eyemra na ache se wo mo akwakobo mu nkura wie wo court no mo na court no etu asam de akwakose da foforo ena na abalo ya penia be de chi lawyer Alfred Tuaye boa ena nsemtwefo edi
It's now well set to commence the hearing of this particular matter. And today we were in court for the first time in the High Court. We've dealt with the initial matters. The next time that we come, you know the witnesses that we'll be calling. But I can assure you, since this matter involves a lot of people, we'll be calling a lot of witnesses, people who invested to state their story. And so hopefully by the time we come back on the 27th, you have the full complement of the witnesses that will be called. But I can just only let you know that we are going to call a lot of witnesses to establish our case. No, definitely no. If you take the charge sheet, you realize that it's not all of them that we've indicated as people who deposited, but we take those ones that we think are relevant to prove our case. You see, at counsel for the accused person, that is the job that he's supposed to do as defense counsel. That's why I indicate to the court that we disagree with the theory that he has propounded. On our side, we are looking at what the law says. We are looking at various breaches. So if you have not mentioned sec law, it doesn't mean that ordinary case has fallen. No, we know what we are doing.
Abzafo nti we ban lawyer penia be de chiri lawyer Alfred Tuaye boa ne yetene kan no chiri no de kwakoso so se one ye kasei na na apia mensa na mo na asem no mo ka ho asem no na japade dodo na asoso na ban e de nsa kwakoto so a wo mo ani da kwan se wo be di nkomo a na se ton no so mo ton bie e de tuatu amanfo sika de ma wuru mu a wo mo atusa na mo no
that we also had or we seized from the accused persons. And we've also had an indication about some property that we have frozen. We are looking at all these properties. In the fullness of time, you know the extent to which we can also use the proceeds to cushion the depositors. But for now, we've not been able to prove the case against the accused person, as you know. But in the course of proceedings, who knows, the accused may even come up with a proposal that even though he's not guilty, the property that we have may have to be auctioned, so give it to the person. So we are looking at various options. But to us, our main aim is to prosecute him, and if need be, if he's convicted, he should be made to face the law. Let me state this record. Let me just make sure that I do not state things that people may say I'm not trying to sympathize with the depositors. Now, if you go to the United States, if you go to the UK, if you go to the world, all the other countries, economic crimes or financial crimes, they are the most difficult crimes. They are the most difficult case to prosecute. You need to spend a lot of time to look at the evidence, comb through the evidence so well. If you fail to do so, and you want to rush with the prosecution, the only assurance you can have is that you are likely to fail.
Observe we a ban lawyer penny abedi chiri lawyer Alfred Tuan Yeboa ne yetene kan we ye na apia mensa na one case no a enra wodomo ekokotena so no na ode nsem we eto ensemtwefo anim ye nto aso ne mfiri san komo no ho na ye fam nko no abo Kennedy Kwame Akompre ko Japan no so na tena ye papa momani de chiri se ope president dia osre MPP amanyuku na tuan ne ye say ne for so mo fatumi ma no na ontu franka emfa ema NPP amanyuku no na proba obomu no na ode atugya se so don for ye na dom ama Ghana for so nyane mugidie de tumi ama no a ade a obeye pa ene se ode tourism akwansra ho nsensem ne ho dwumadi ebetu Ghana chese ohiase ama mrante ne baba wa pinu anya dwuma ya sesa Ghana ye nhye brekra onabo Kennedy Japan
Yankopon acheyen enioma bebra say who suhe anka yenko enkosre abrofusika ebini say tourist attraction site yawo Ghana ha yebetimi develop no ama mrantie ne mabawa enye adwuma ye Yankopon acheyen niema we nyina enso no ye hunu suhe I'm going to use tourism to create employment for the youth of this
Observe Honorable Kennedy Kwame Akompre ko Japan yetene kanenu achire na Juliet ya asantoa santia wono eneda National Film Authority ano esoso edeka kresoso Ghana ye tourism industry no ye boboso a na ye de ni echire ye hotels ahodo na ye de ni echire chese ya dan ene ye mra ebo amanfo eho ban emra wo mo bansrahwe ewo mayemo ma me eye Juliet ya asantoa sante soso no ede kakra esoso sei
so bisa me say ahi na ye generate e mudie se me kase minima na kanokwa because yentumi here research and collecting data but one thing I can say for sure so we check the number of people who are employed in the sector so you count the number of people who are employed that you can filmmakers in town you can lawyers carpenters electricians all of that you can homeowners you can restaurants hotels because filmmakers about the shooting film are all renting and your money it is filmmakers any creative space they are contributing a lot to the Ghanaian economy and because of that we need the support but talking about say I told Ghana and you filmmaker no
for Belfine Kakrani and Beto Jasa do an extra piati abonte so to pay a biaco pai ama cheseni pepino aquacudins and seme or more madaya share or more madaya juragufum or musu prepra and one more free modi abusian for aquacoyara hosemopa na buying I and she say chrono one besas was sin fufro chrono besas pegano fufro ama adanya see the more case or more brody go piati abonte so to a mantemono and ye as some ketuakra nabusia entity e by say adwuma no a wo mo eye no apiate abonten so na se contractors ni nyina aseso mo kuku no mo kaka fra asase ne so a wo ma kwakọ pomba bia tena ni nyina yesika na wo saban de ema contractors no mo nya bi fama wo no ntia na contractors na ba abonten chese efi September afi etwa mu no mu a aban de se adwuma we se o mo nsa no anoma bakra mfiri ho no mo adwuma no no mo guso o mo ye no a ade o mo sie nyina no nyame ne mu de o mo sie wie ni o ma boso ene doso de aka nyina no ye nua no mo de aguso a eno kra na enche bia no wo mo ebesesa nchense de akriso na kotale ni ade ade a wo so mo keka no wo mo aye ne nyina openi Stephen Apia wo no ena adwuma ekoso nyina dodo no ahye ne nsa ene ye din komo kire se won kai se ono kra se no o afiri ho no mo ye adwuma no ye ya na ban abroso abosome ne de ni sika ebre na se adwuma we wan empe nto bibia obegyina ba bia ka se Apia te adwuma na o mo ye no aso magya ne jeje mu wo magya gu ho no mo ekono ya no onim ne wo keke bia
assembly see ye no last year September ena ba di dwumadie ni share yensa contractors ne 6 ene ye say dwuma ye sha ase no ye face challenges bebe ne nsuo to ha ye pa enso nam setama ne ye dia mai ni tine ya mpaba yes ye ho ha ye dwumadie no e ma ne beduru di aduru ye say mobile mo no se de ye say e koso nsuo to enso ye wuma ye dwuma sana etie na yatete samanfo se adwuma no kra no ya ba fie ni ade nya no kra ya ba September last year up to June obia ni wa ko fie ye nyina eguso aye adwuma ya ma otama sebe sika sem so no enye dene ye adwuma na month bia ye mpanimfo no ba no ma bebe zade ya ye na ye tie ka
Observanti way a contractor 7 apia ni yetene kanen weche no penny Roxen Anthony susuno project na wo mo ayening na wono ene ye Clark dano wono suso ede kakra so sei
sheda yi ha because the hanu ifita to wa ha ye baka challenges are you should not to wa ha na no challenges are you face no payment is regular supervision is ongoing every month we organize site meetings I go a yes la cry oba kan ye hu ha me nyina ye meetings ochino cry me ya do my be another meeting ha ministers are coming here regularly to cross check our works easy obi kase bia man nkoso another man look I'm surprised to hear this so far so good no we are on course by the scheduled time we able to complete 100%. It's a same dia ni ho
Observanti way a contractors na wo mo chichire apia te kuro no foforo no na yeti wo no mo nkan we eyo madwuma mo ya na nipa bi no mo chese yesi ya no mo keke nyina na se contractors na se so mo ne makọ if the car da ho no ma ban timi ntwanya asem keto no mo chese sansem no krebia enim observanti yemfa mo mfiri apia te na yemfa mo mra kumase abonten so yenua ba ma adwoa Victoria Dapa ne boyfriend Inspector Metwemesi eboni toku no ya waduma bonten so no abusiafo enra so no court kokotena na asem no so ema ye ntiti ababeto apono so kire se court aye ne se asem no wo mo emfa nkose October bosome no ne da etoso eyedumiensa ewo afimu a ade a enra Inspector Metwemesi ene na lawyer fo kopie court no nim no o ma editor court no nim se enkratasem ene pen drive ne video se e dia ma mo so mo nkonkore no videos ni bi o hono mo a ene mu nseda nyefe ene mu nseda enna hono mo papa nti eje bre ansa no matima hye ahya hunu se ampa womo client no ene bia wo yes abone ni gina ha sei no a no wo ye we ni nto mo sere court no se court no emo mo break akra ene nam so mo timo afọ tena asem no so enra no wo gitu mu se ne womo enwa asem no so no mo mfa nkọ shodon for ye adom October bosome no ne da etoso eyedumiensa na eba sei no ena madwo abusia na omo ewo eye court wo no mo eye Kumasi High Court enra kire se ekwane a ase kesi ekonyenyenyenyenye yi hadwe wom so mu ogidie ewo my Ghana ya tentrene ensense no mu de ne so nkampanimfo eye ne ntem kakra de ama wuru mu a enka ebebo wuru mu pa
Didi o judge when you yellow is soon. Didi nimse takum or no lawyers no or move the tactics by the Wujidi son. Sibia be yama, yama, yabotre. Because you move. What sense says I don't know. I say in your machine shade. Oh, and send me by the mechanic say you would do some power. I will judge you out Tiasimiso. And the yellow is no, you would do some power. You would do party be able to Yamai. Tigana for the sermon.
Observanti way amadwo abusuafo ne binom na yete wonom nkane ma me ne nuabema ne wofanom ya enra womo ekogu eye court wonom na yete se womo edinsem wei eto ensemtwefo anim no yento aso ne enfam nko bantima mrase begane honorable Francis Asensu Brache na tena ye na wotwi ene beto dwase Asen Central mrase begane honorable Kennedy Kwame ya compare kwa akodi nkomo bi ma ne nsem bia no wokeka no na chese honorable Francis Asensu Brache na no wokeka bi gire no se Francis Asensu Brache kra no da be no be benye sika ba be sidan aba be tofie ne wose yento nyom mfamfra nui no kai pa se ne yonku brebuo bifie na na Francis Asensu Brache wote won krapompone mantemu a na chese ye ne wodi kra ne ho edene edema no na no na bantima mrase begane ya ono akro no a esaso ye soafo a adwuma ye ne adansie ho nsensem ohweso ede atodwa se onabo Kennedy Kwame ya compare konsem na wokeka no kra bia enim se no watu obi nche wa denta na nipa na ne didima ne bidie na adabe no ba benya sika ene wose si yento nyomo emfamfreni Honorable Francis Asenso Boakye no ya ode ma Kennedy Japan ni
o say na me tin adam for bi fi e wa adenta property na me tin me na me toy e free obi ho a em say na adam for na o ka no na wa ton sa property na mo bi e na me to free e bi for ni bakọ no enti property na me am tin ba say o si kan no as you said there me tin adam for nchen na say me gu me no fin say bia ni nyo bia na say ya appointing minister and that kind of credit me have property my year man Ghana they have change na me dia to na simple no say me baby to kwara me to bi chen a enye we ye fa ni do bi ato exactly because we are here we here no wa ye wo no na say bi what if you what all fear what e kakra upon e kakra but simple de nyame ye madom ama at that age you know we bought property no in 2014 way before yeah bad no
Abzafo we eye bank mamra sibegeni Honorable Francis Asenso Boakye wono akro na asaso ye soafo a wo hwe adwumaye ene adansie ho nsensem so ne yete ne nke nyina eye ensem a Honorable Kennedy Kwame Akompre ko Japan kade to no so se obi nche na no wote e wa denta bonten so ana ne wodi kura no na edine de mano no wo che so no de eja twiri amponya nkrompon ye na domu brantie mojamono kura e no to ne nsem otumi enya efie toye e wa denta bonten so no sabra no kura no na MPP emo chese enso da ye kura se wo ba ba mu nti abrabo no so de kakra obi bia ni wono mo a ye wo no beto asase su no de dan efiri ne ma me yam na eba asase su ye kakra wo be ye no e no don fo so be hira so de ama wa mo nya ba bia wo de uti beto abza fo ye nto aso ne enfam nko mfimfi mantemu na mfimfi mantemu a ye de mo ekono e na nteti aba beto apono so twese na no yimfo bi no mo a wo mo ewo Cape Coast abonten so kantamu dinsi awi aboagu so kota from abatwe so mbe demonstration e de etiama mpedi na nado danko akufo na ban adaya wo mo se de akwasi brone ka ne se eye sea defense wo yibie yi wo ma ka mpedinfo atwitwi wo mo ne se penimbo ne bia 77 producer wo yim from abone wo VIP bus mo a nsebo mo kede nyina no wo mo enfi wo mo so kwa zim ne miam yahudo pia abaya ba ba ye sa sea defense bi wo li bi dia ma wunum ne so mo de e de abone no mo de ya ban e de adenko no mo de ya ban a o mo busasa nyem bia Ghana no mo nka ho ana o yene popropo won potemo no mo na Kwame edu ababio a otosum yenu ena ja fasha wono mo eye o de sansemi atudwa wase
baby. Oh, young person in there. Asha, why you see the first one, right? Why you see the first one, more? The meeting on the associate person in our program, sister, I done more than 200. And I put going to me now.
Abuja fonti we ayo hini a owo empotemo no money yete ne nkanana na dehye no so e de kakra eso so sei
na do mai agi baba ya tumi mu say ya yes defense e wo mi bebre but e kom from ha ya ye ko ni ya ye impedifo aha suzu e kan o man baba baba say impedifo no mo kasa ye so this time around ya decided say there is somebody ever see a dance here no see defense no vote because I go say impedifo no because I already here and this time around say they no work from one so I pay man ka say obedi anim na say the position there e for so they are ready 24 hours say e two na say yeah 2 point poa yeah beba mo di sa o boss force in the system so bia nyampo a mi me fam news wa e be kuburu e ko be bia ya ma ya ambia ya bia o me twa fa su de mana na mi show me machine sa say won e na de apotini e da
Observe fonti we eya dehye won finfi mantem binimo na yete won mo nkane yenyina we so na no pay ensem ebobo no de beso mo no yemfa munsia na yensore mo man ne yedubo achensa metranse bi omfa de ache bi adwumade ento amoso ene ewuku adanti wo frɛ na wakawasem dwumade so saa bede ede na yabo mali bi abogasda enkoba production team ebo mi chido ma no pay ma be bia wo bia no yetimi ba beso mo kuku a na chinchim fidie ne ede ma me na Emmanuel Seguso so de ko vision so yesemfo penny and yera asante yeboa Benedict abusiafo no pay yamamachi